Hey, what are you doing tonight?
I don't know.
I'm gonna be heading up to Andy soon if you want to go with me. What is up, everybody? Show Off 3.4 here, bringing you another vlog. I have 2 videos to make for you. We have 2 objectives today. The first objective is to start tearing down the motor, and I'm really excited for that. And actually, it's a Wednesday right now, but because I have school off for the next 2.5 weeks, that I can have this time and go up to Andy's and work on the motor. But I'm not going to be taking my truck up there. I have no reason to, 1, and 2, we have another project to do. We need to put this on this. Extremely bad. And if you're not aware why, I'm going to show you why. It honestly doesn't sound like that bad in here. I don't know how it sounds on camera in here. But outside sounds absolutely terrible. Basically the backstory on this is, if you've been watching the channel for a while, or if you're new, not only me, but me and all my buddies pretty much straight pipe everything. You got my car, you got my truck, got Mikey's Gallant, Marty's LML, you got Marty's LLY, got Hunter's Jeep, and we got Boyd's Charger. Nate's Camaro. I know Nate's Camaro isn't straight piped, I don't think. And I'm probably forgetting something else. What the frick? We don't do things quiet on this channel. And pretty much she wanted to surprise me. I kind of wanted her to do it just because I wanted to drive a manual car and have some sound to it. Second, and she did it kind of to surprise me and kind of. So basically a lot of things on this, you know, kind of that we drive with our straight pipe, so we figured we'll try this one, and that was a no-go. It's been like this for a while, but it's kind of just time to. It's just not good. It sounds too ricey, so we're gonna try and take care of that tonight, along with tearing down the motor. So hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned. Now let's get to the video. Okay, we got the Jeep in the garage with Marty right there. Before we do anything, I'm probably gonna eat my McDonald's. I guess, yeah, we can throw this on the hoist first. We got the car up on the hoist. We're gonna wait for him to get here to start welding, but Marty is going to grind away at this, at the muffler here. I'll show you the muffler we got from Hunter. They cut it right off the pipe. So we gotta get this all cleaned up and that done. And then while we wait for that, I'm gonna start working on the motor. So I'm gonna be recording for 2 different videos here, but we'll see how this works. Is it working at all? Started. All right, so apparently my camera is not dying, but already getting there, and I got 2 videos to make. So I'm gonna make these kind of short. We cut it off using me and Marty's manpower, and now we're trying to adjust this, which we kind of cut too short now. Well, actually, that's gonna hit. All right, so we cut a little bit off, and it goes right on there. Perfect.
Leave it like that.
Okay, so I think
so much work.
Yeah,
so much.
I didn't record because the camera would have died, but we just manhandled this, cut it off a little further because we're just gonna slide the muffler on, and it's gonna hang right about here, and we're gonna chicken wire it until we can get it to Marty's, and he can cut a wedge because we don't have too much to cut with here. So we're gonna
leave that.
Yeah, that's what we've been working with this whole time. And then it'll sit right about here. Hopefully that'll be all right for now.
I'm stupid.
We are stupid. Okay, so while we wait on Andy in there to weld this, I'm gonna try tearing some more stuff off this motor.
You can't take off without revving. I looked at the clutch so slow. My foot couldn't move any slower.
I love these shots. You can watch it through here.
No, I'm good.
You don't even see it.
Bro, I can see it. Look.
Yeah, look.
Look at the garage door. Off a dirty, rusty steel.
Well,
I couldn't do any better. I can probably.
you sure can.
Well, I mean. Yeah, so Zach screwed up the exhaust a little more. The muffler is now touching the gas tank.
It is not touching the gas tank anymore.
But, well, it was, so I just wanted to fill you in that we fixed it. And it's time to start it up and see how much worse this thing sounded than it did.
Can't sound any worse.
Yeah.
I showed him what it sounded like at the beginning of this video. Can't sound any worse.
Say something bad about Jay. We'll test and see if she's actually watches these videos. But it's good enough.
You can't even hear it.
Actually, kind of sounds all right. Rev it a little, Zachary.
Give it a second. I don't want it to blow up yet.
You don't want it to blow up yet?
Oh, that is.
That sounds good, actually.
It really does. Wow.
That's not fair. I like making fun of Jay about how crappy your car sounds.
I like good. All right, so I know it looks kind of janky right now. The muffler's sitting there, but literally this was the only way we could do it because of the way the muffler is and whatnot. So it's so close to the gas tank that we had to keep it this far away, and it's chicken wired up until we can get a extension and Marty can weld like a wedge piece, and we're gonna be able to put the factory piece back on the hanger right there. And so it's not going to look like this. It'll look it'll be brought up a little bit and stuff. but it does sounds a lot better, as you guys heard. So alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next vlog.